Running processes, how do we show them? Processes are programs that are running. The kernel manages the processes. Basically, a process takes up memory and CPU and has input and output, and that input and output can get directed, and it can interact with the terminal, or it can be in the background. The command for showing the processes is the ps command. You type ps, hit enter. The ps command shows a snapshot in time. In other words, all the data that's presented here is a snapshot of what was happening with the computer when the command ps was run. Ps by itself shows processes owned by me that are running in the foreground of the terminal. ps with the A option shows processes run by other users. Keep in mind that root may run processes on my behalf in response to commands I issue. For example, the ps with the A option is run by root on my behalf. So when I run ps with the A option, it shows me this line. So it's not run by me. Also, this one is not a process that I ran. Root ran it for me on behalf of the kernel. This is a quite frequent thing that root runs processes on my behalf. I think it's because it's just a type of process that only the root can run, or the process itself needs permissions of root to be able to do what it needs to do. There is a quirk about the ps command. The same ps functionality can be initiated in different ways with slightly different results. For example, the ps with the A option, you can run it like this, as if the option is an argument, not an option. And the result is similar but slightly different in the way it's formatted and maybe the columns it has or whatever. The most common ps command is this one, psaux. The A stands for all users, the U stands for show the user in a column, and the X stands for show background processes also, not just the ones in the foreground of the terminal. Okay, now I'm going to run that command. As you can see, there are many processes running on my Mac computer. Okay, here you can see the columns. User, the process ID, percentage of CPU usage, percentage of memory usage, I'm not sure what that is, the terminal, which terminal is being used, the start time, how long it's been running, and the command that ran it. Later on, we'll see how to use the top command to monitor this live in real time.